This is how to replace a brake light in a 2013 Hyundai Veloster. Yeah, as you can see here, the brake light's not working. So turn on the lights for a minute. Yeah. So it is that bulb right there that is out. Okay, turn it off. Two screws that you're gonna take out. This one and this one, and they're both Phillips. And the one down here at the bottom, which my camera guy is not keeping up with me. Okay. Now, over here, this does not come out this way. It comes out this way. It slides out. I already did this once, so it's probably a little bit looser now. But what you do is you grab this here, and you pull it this direction. But you got to kind of wiggle it. And then it slides. And you'll see here and here, that it's a little slide on that, so do not pull it out. Okay, now the light that's bad, make sure you get the right light. Now the light that's bad is this one right here. So I'm just going to turn that, pull it out, it twists out, get my new one. Now the light's also labeled right here on what number it is. It says 2357. You probably can't see it with the camera, so it's going to match up here, 2357. Be sure to check that for whatever bulb you get. And there it just pops in. Put that back together, turn it back, twist it back, and then everything just slides back together. You'll hear it snap, and then put your screws in. Actually, let's test it first. So go ahead and hit the brakes. Yep. And turn on the lights. Alright, everything's good. And that's it. Just put your two screws back in and you're done.